with this recording?
I'm recording now.
Cool.
I get some weapons, man. Actually, funny they don't jump into the island.
And swimming?
I hope not. Oh, the shortest route. Oh, there they come.
Well, that's the various stands.
Where?
From the...
Oh, yes.
Let's see now, this will be interesting.
On land there. You're gonna have a mass wave of enemies at the end of the 4th round.
They're over there, they ain't coming across. Fuck off.
It was brilliant, good.
Yeah, that's good so far along.
Yeah.
How long does it go on for?
Until it's finished. Anyway.
Last time it got destroyed, so... Oh look, you actually see the gold, like, liquid. That looks cool.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, they're fighting each other.
Glad.
One more goal to go on this one.
If you look closely at the armor, you actually see that's an alien armor.
Yeah. Alright, the big boys come.
Can't jump that far.
As he comes over.
This was a brilliant idea.
I think I had some point in it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I said,
You didn't
let's-
mention that, did you?
I did at the island.
This is our official way
What do you think?
to
Raised
wrap.
head.
This is the
I
craft.
said we have to protect it.
Yeah, wise heads.
And that gave you the idea of
heads.
the lake and the island. Okay. Right, here goes. I'm going to put my armor in.
Yeah, Rich has to pick it out first. Oh wow, look at that whole party there.
Okay, go. I've got to go.
This is our crafting island.
Oh, does it tell me to put the gold in? Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's like upside down. Big Mama. Holy hell, I have to
Okay, crawl in. Got it. So you trying to build a crucible here?
Yeah.
Yeah, the crucible. But we don't have any gold anyway. Because we've used all the gold.
I have like
You can't have any more gold left. Oh, do
Yeah,
we have any
yeah.
more gold?
I have 4 more with me. I stopped picking
Oh
more
yeah,
than 6.
yeah. Actually, I've got 8 still. 12.
Let's do it over here.
If you die, Bell, we're not
No. I just
Don't you dare do a Leroy. Don't you dare do a Leroy Jenkins.
going to be doing a landscape.
Well, they're coming all right before you now. You sure you want to do that right now? Because you can still build your armor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, you're coming into the water.
They're gonna die.
Oh,
That would have been a great idea. Build the bridge with all the traps on it.
the pile of enemies there now. You
Oh,
should have
one is
prepared
drowning.
them.
One is drowning.
If I had a rocket launcher, I could blow that big mama up right now.
One just dead and dead to drowning.
Alright, it's party time.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
at least we don't have to replace all the bones each time. Fucking hell. And your gold.
How is Toby doing, by the way?
I don't know. I haven't talked to his boy.
New girlfriend?
Record.
Yeah. Maybe.
So I'm presuming we have to go and put this armour on when we get into that other cave.
Yeah. Pretty bad.
When we go to that bunk, we have to put the armour on to get to that door.
I don't think I'm gonna do this tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
can do that tomorrow or another day.
We can put up another tent here and then switch.
Yeah, let's do that then.
Rats on trying to figure this one out though.
It takes you so much ammo.
Yeah. Yeah, just
Yeah,
to figure
yes,
out this is what we have to do before.
And how many people are stupid enough to build it then at their base, and then like the whole base
Oh,
is
that's
sacked?
fucking hell. We'd have been totally destroyed. Absolutely destroyed.
I don't know if you guys remember, but we did that at first when we tried to build the thing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And,
Oh, have you checked the armor in your pack now?
oh yeah, let me see.
It's changed completely.
Where? Whoa. Still good?
Put it on.
Put it on.
Yeah, try to
Put it on.
keep it going. Keep it going.
Oh, look at you, man. Yeah.
Whoa.
Allez.
Look like a storm.
You have the video.
Especially with that rifle.
One of these put it on too. Is that?
You can't see it. See it.
Ah, yeah. There we go.
Now we are badasses.
Fucking hell.
Come on, Grinder. Let's go. Get the armor on.
I'm worried if we put it on, we ruin it.
No, we don't.
This never breaks down.
We can just have it on now.
Oh, when you put on the armor, it throws all your bone armor, right?
Yeah, that's the way to take off the bone armor or the flesh armor.
Does it put it back into your pack?
No.
Yeah.
I see a pile of it sitting lying here.
Yes, because mine's full. Alright, guys. We look shit on. Now let's not damage this armor. I'm taking mine off.
Can't damage it.
Try to select it.
Sure.
Yeah. No, it can damage it.
Oh, fucking, we're invincible now. Now we can go across there and just mash them to bits now.
Just get some help for me. That's all.
Do I put it in?
E. Find the E at the top of the stick. Top stick.
I have
Whatever.
I need
No, you don't. Oh, you need more gold.
Yeah.
Oh, what have you got in there? Shotgun?
Sniper rifle.
Sniper rifle. Okay, I can put gold in. I've managed to get. Who's taking gold out?
Put it in. I think she was out again.
You're taking it out, and now press E at the top.
That's the wrong button. Sorry.
Now stealing gold.
Stealing gold.
Yeah, we got it.
I
Yes.
can like it.
Have I got anything left? Yeah, I carried loads. I still got 4 gold left. Has anybody got any other gold left? Is everybody out of gold?
Yeah.
Not another 2.
No.
Oh, that's a shame. We could have made another one.
Yeah.
Actually, it'd be brilliant to do this at night.
Yeah, definitely.
I want to save this and then I want to run over to that camp. I can see how much damage I can do.
I think all of the island is here now.
Yeah,
Yeah, but all the birds are not fighting each other. No.
No.
Just all calmly waiting. Color gate right in the middle there. The big one. Can make that
reach. You can't reach.
Also, rain runs down the way it sits on your well.
That's it.
Let's see what this does.
Oh yeah, shoot it, bro. Alright.
Oh, look at this.
Wow. Now I'm a badass.
Okay guys, we better save.